Hey guys, if you're planning for a balloon decoration for your Thanksgiving party or any occasions, stick around. We'll show you how. What you're gonna be needing are, of course, some balloons, gold streamer backdrop, and balloon chains. The link for the products is in the description box below. The first step is to pump up all the balloons and tie them up. Next step is to place the balloons to balloon chains. Be creative in arranging them. Mix it up. Then, stick the gold streamer backdrop on the wall. Now, carefully place the balloons on the wall using pins. Handle the balloons with care and make sure not to accidentally pop them with the pins. And for the final step, add more balloons and place them on the remaining spots on the sides. And there you have it, the final look for our Thanksgiving-inspired balloon design. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more party decor ideas.